Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use the tool Ideation Cards. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a tool of ideation and organization and basically quick management. It got the following characteristics, explains and elaborates the important aspects of the key issues that have emerged from the map of diagram or cultural affinity. This is very important because before you develop this tool, you have to previously make the affinity map or affinity diagram. So that is extremely important. Allows to collect understanding and develop of individual ideas about key issues that are emerging as a team. This enhances empathy and acceptance of key issues, allows you to add more details and imagine the state of future of a project. It is the key to develop a new challenge statement on revised before ideation. This process is very important, is in the empathy and definition stages of the design thinking methodology, and it will allow you to organize basic ideas, which is developed through the work in team and with research, collaboration, and co-creation tools that have been facilitated in the way that we are translating ideas and abstract problems to something that is more concrete. So the ideation cards are a very interesting tool because basically it will allow you to have in your hand the different ideas that you could have. So the ideation cards, basically, as you see on the screen, you will have two sides. The idea is that you could have a keyword over here that could be very descriptive. Also, on the reverse of the card, you should have an statement. And of course, here you can have like different description of the situation or the idea that you previously have, because in the affinity diagram you will have an organized different information, so here you can start making your ideation. So it's very important that you understand that the keywords are very important, and of course that you could write basically the different description of the different statement. You have to keep in mind that you in the description you can write like positive emotions, negative emotion, obstacles, problems that could have, and of course if the description is bigger and brighter, the situation it will be way better. So it's very important to give a color to the card and also a category. So you could have service, product, management, well, different components that you could have, but it's extremely important that you have specific categories for your cards depending of how many issues you could understand. And of course, the description, I also recommend to have a pictogram over here because it will allow you to understand and create our situation and understand it way better. So, as a conclusion, we can say that at the end of finishing creating the diagram or visual cards, we should be able to discuss as a group and decide what is the most remarkable, where are the elder opportunities. So this is very important because at the end of this exercise you could have a lot of different cards, but the idea is that you get together with your group and discuss which one is the best and which one you should pursue. The idea of the ideation cards is that it will allow you to organize the information, because if you have made a brainstorming, if you have made an affinity diagram map, it will be very random and it will not be very specific. However, if you use this tool, the description, it will be way easier. The idea here is that you can make decisions about what to do and ideate to go deeper. The idea is that I don't know how to develop. It should be have a deeper understanding of the knowledge. So if you see that you can pursue that, or maybe you just leave it away. So that is extremely important that we understand this kind of situation. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, LinkedIn, Instagram, and of course, our Udemy courses are already available. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.